Hi, my name is Lina Maria. I am 27 years old. I am studying economic. Receive stuffed potato. The ingredients are 2 potatoes, whole pound rice, whole a pound beef, 1 onion, 1 tomato, whole of peppers, whole tablespoon salt. After getting the ingredients you chose, to start, peel the potatoes and cook the meat with half tablespoon of salt over low heat. Second, we cook the rice over low heat as well. Meanwhile, meanwhile we prepare the stew with the onion, tomato, peppers, and salt. Afterwards, we make a mash with the potatoes, mix all the ingredients, and fill the potatoes with the mixture and the rice. At the end, we fry them, and as all loves stew, we plate them.